The perfect 3-day itinerary for your Dubai trip. Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Travelfoodopedia. How are you doing? Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 days itinerary designed for Dubai trip. So, fasten your seatbelt and get ready for an unforgettable journey to world's most beautiful city Dubai. Day 1. Arrive at Dubai International Airport and make sure your country of origin has the eligibility for visa on arrival. Exchange currency at an exchange bureau or withdraw UAE dirhams from an ATM. If you want to buy something from airport duty-free, then gold purchase is a good option. However, recommendation is to buy while leaving Dubai. Take a taxi or the metro to your hotel and check in. Visit the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and take the elevator to the observation deck for a panoramic view of the city. It is that famous building that Tom Cruise climbed during Mission Impossible and while standing outside the viewing platform. You gain a lot of respect for the man. That takes a lot of nerve. While the experience isn't as good as other high-rise attractions we've taken around the world, you can't visit Dubai without going up the elevator. Get your skip-the-line tickets to the 124th, 125th, and 148th floors of the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa is at the top of all Dubai attractions. It is located in the heart of the city with gorgeous views. Take the high-speed elevator up 160 stories to see awe-inspiring views of Dubai. Be warned though, it's crowded, and once you've had a look at the city, there's not a lot more to do up there. Visit the Dubai Mall and do some shopping. The Dubai Mall houses the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, where you can even go diving with sharks. There's a skating rink, waterfalls, and top-name brand clothing outlets where you can get lost for the day. The Dubai Mall is the largest shopping mall in the world, with so much more than clothing stores and boutiques. Cool off from Dubai's desert sun with a ticket to Ski Dubai, the city's only indoor snowpark. Located inside the Mall of the Emirates. The cost is around $65. Have dinner at a traditional Arabian restaurant such as Al Khazar or Al Hadhira and try dishes like shawarma, kebabs, or biryani. Day 2. Start the day with a leisurely breakfast at your hotel or a local cafe. Visit the Dubai Museum to learn about the history and culture of the city. Take a traditional Abra boat ride on Dubai Creek. Visit the souks, which means markets to shop for gold, from Gold Market. Visit Spice Market. Perfume Market. Textile Market. Have a traditional Arabic lunch at a local restaurant such as Al Reef or Al Fanar. Try hummus. Falafel. Makbuz. Visit the Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island in the shape of a palm tree, and take a walk along the beach. The Palm Jumeirah is a wonder of the modern world. This archipelago of islands juts out into the Persian Gulf and is completely man-made. Have dinner at a fine dining restaurant such as at Mosphere or Al Mahara and try dishes like grilled seafood or lamb chops. Day 3. Start the day with a camel ride in the desert and try sandboarding and dune bashing. Visit the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve and learn about the local wildlife and conservation efforts. Have a traditional Arabian barbecue lunch in the desert. The cost starting $85 per person. Visit the Dubai Fountain and watch the water and light show in the evening. This is a must-see attraction in Dubai. Just like the Bellagio in Vegas, Dubai has its own waterfall show at the Dubai Fountain. Each night a display of water and light runs for 10 minutes every half an hour until midnight. The songs, light show, and choreography change again and again, so you never have to see the same show twice. Have dinner at a local restaurant such as Rang Mahal or Kubara and try dishes like tandoori chicken or lamb rogan josh. Visit the Jumeirah Mosque. Jumeirah Mosque is the only mosque open to non-Muslims in Dubai, making it one of the top Dubai attractions. Visit the Dubai Marina and take a walk along the promenade. Downtown Dubai isn't much a walking city, but when you make your way to the Dubai Marina, it's your chance to stroll along the promenade. There are coffee shops and restaurants surrounding the second largest man-made marina in the world where you can book boat tours and dinner cruises from here. Have lunch at a seafood restaurant such as Fish Dubai or Al Mahara and try dishes like grilled fish or shrimp. Visit the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Visit the Global Village, which is an outdoor shopping and entertainment destination in Dubai that features pavilions from different countries around the world. It is open from November to April each year, and offers a wide range of activities and attractions for visitors of all ages. Accommodation in Dubai. There are many options for accommodation in Dubai, ranging from budget-friendly hotels to luxury resorts. Some popular hotel chains can be found in Booking.com, Expedia, Hotels.com and TripAdvisor. Budget-friendly options include hotel apartments and hostels, which offer basic amenities at a lower cost. Mid-range options include 4-star hotels, which offer comfortable accommodations and a variety of on-site amenities. Luxury options include 5-star hotels and resorts, which offer high-end amenities such as spas, swimming pools, and fine dining restaurants. These types of accommodation are often located in prime locations, such as on the beach or in upscale neighborhoods. Transportation in Dubai. Transportation in Dubai includes a variety of options, including the metro, buses, taxis, and car rental. The Dubai Metro is a modern and convenient way to get around the city. It has 2 lines, the Red Line and the Green Line, with a total of 47 stations. The metro operates from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m., and it is relatively inexpensive. There are also feeder bus services that connect metro stations to nearby neighborhoods. Buses are another popular option for getting around Dubai. The Dubai bus service operates over 170 routes and offers a convenient and affordable way to travel around the city. Taxis are readily available in Dubai, and are a convenient option for getting around the city. They can be hailed on the street or booked in advance. Taxis in Dubai are metered, and fares are based on distance traveled. Finally, car rental is also an option in Dubai. Many international car rental companies have a presence in the city, and it is possible to rent a car at the airport or at one of the many rental locations around the city. It's worth noting that Dubai has an extensive road network, and driving can be a convenient way to travel around the city. Overall, public transportation in Dubai is well developed, and it is easy to get around the city using the metro, buses and taxis. Nightlife in Dubai. Dubai has a vibrant nightlife scene with a wide variety of options to suit different tastes. Bars and nightclubs are popular destinations for those looking to party and dance. Some popular nightclubs include White Dubai, Cavalli Club, and VIP Room. For those looking for a more relaxed atmosphere, there are many rooftop bars and lounges that offer great views of the city. Some popular options include the Bar 44 at Grosvenor House, the Rooftop at the Four Seasons, and the Observatory at the Marriott Marquis. Finally, it's worth mentioning that in Dubai, alcohol is only served in licensed venues, like hotels, clubs, bars and restaurants. Drinking and driving is strictly prohibited and can result in severe penalties. Note: make sure you have a valid visa before entering Dubai. If you are from a country that eligible for visa on arrival, then you don't need to. Hope you like the video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.